Okay, today we're going to be working on addition in a different way. We're going to be using the words part, whole. Now we were doing addition the other day using our pictures to make an addition sentence. We used one set of picture to make the first part, and then we used a second picture to make the second part. So just like we did the other day, if I wanted to write down an addition sentence for this, I would write down 1, 2, 3, 4, because there are 4 frogs, plus 2 lions. So that's the second part. And then I would still have to count the whole or all of them to get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's try that with a different kind of picture. They want us to use these cubes to make part, whole. Just like we did with the pictures, we're going to look at the first color or the first picture first. We have how many red cubes? 1, 2. So the first part has 2 red cubes. How many yellow cubes do we have? 1, 2. So I would write down for the second part that there are 2 cubes in the second part. Now it wants the whole group. So how many are there all together? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're ready to make this into an addition sentence. We're going to use the numbers we have up here. I'm going to make them different colors so you can see which ones we're doing. Let's do the red one first. There were 2 for the first part, 1, 2 red. And there were 1, 2 yellow, 2 for the second part, so we're going to write that down. How many were there all together? Right, there were 4 all together. Now, there's a second spot here because there's another way to do this. We could flip the cubes around. If we started on this side, the first part would be yellow. So how many yellow cubes were there? 1, 2. So if we started with the yellow number first, it would look like that. Then we have to fill in the red cubes. There are still 1, 2 of those. So we need to make our pen red. There we go. And fill in 2 for that. And then we still need to put the answer. The answer is still the same. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes, whether we count it forwards or backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still the same number. All right, let's try it again. Oh, this time we have a different amount. So let's look at that first part. Let's just do this part in black. There are how many cubes that are red? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the second part is our second color. Do you see any other colors? What number represents nothing? 0. So there are 0 yellow cubes. So how many cubes do we have altogether? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Okay, so let's take a look down here. Now I'm going to make them their colors again. Let's start with the red. We had how many red cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I'm a little crooked on there. How many yellow cubes did we have? I don't see any. That's the number. 0. And then we need our answer. 4 plus 0. How many does that equal? It equals 4. Nice work. So now we're going to switch it around. We're going to start with the yellow cubes. How many yellow cubes are there? That's right, there are 0 yellow cubes. And how many red cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 0 plus 4 must equal how many cubes altogether? 4. All right, great job. Let's try one more. Okay, now, how many cubes in the first part? I see 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write that down so don't forget it. Then how many cubes in the second part? Just 1. Makes how many cubes all together? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's time to make them colorful. Let's go down here and make our pen red. Now, I had how many red cubes? 3. How many yellow cubes do you see? 1. And that makes our answer 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to switch it around. We're going to start at this side. So part 1 would now be the yellow cubes. How many yellow cubes do you see? 1, so we write that down. Then we go to our red cubes. How many red cubes are there? There are 3. So how many cubes are there all together? There are still 1, 2, 3, 4, even when we start on the other side. Good job, boys and girls. So in a moment, you're going to go back to the assignment page and you're going to find this worksheet there for you to complete. There are going to be X's on each of these lines. That's where you're going to fill in the numbers. In order to do this, you are going to need to make up your own part, whole worksheet. You're going to color in the cubes to be 2 different colors. So you might pick red and yellow like we did in our papers, or you could pick any 2 colors. And you're going to make some cubes one color and the rest of the cubes another. Then you have to fill out your part, whole, which makes your addition sentences. What plus what equals the answer. So you're going to try it with this first. And if you really want to challenge yourself, you can try the part, whole with an even bigger number down here. So ask a parent.